It's Shanice. I'm back with another video for you, and today I'm going to be showing you a one-bedroom New York City apartment tour inside of a beautiful brownstone. So if you'd like to see this video, stay with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so right here we're already inside the brownstone. Basically, this is a brownstone with 3 floors, and each floor has a one-bedroom apartment that they rent out to people for, short terms. And as I walk into the door, you can see that I'm walking into the kitchen. The kitchen is very small, but the apartment itself is extremely cozy. The one thing I love about New York apartments is the hardwood floors. That's the one thing I like about my father's place, is those hardwood floors. That's the best part of the apartment. And I can see here that they painted the door black, which was really, really nice. This over here that we're looking at is a storage area and a closet. The closets here are really, really tall. They're not like walk-in closets like at other places, but they're really tall. And then here you have a sofa, a 3-person sofa that actually turns into a bed. So it's like a sofa bed, and they have these really tall windows. And one thing they did here was do like a lot of African art. I'll show you some of that later if I got a few clips. I never knew that I was gonna ever show this video because this is from a while ago and I just had the footage. I just thought I'd show you. So they have 2 ottomans. That's like a storage area as well. And that's the living room, dining room area. You can tell where there used to be a fireplace. They just put the TV over there. They made it look good though. And then with those green colors, it's kind of modern, because I notice a lot of New York homes, they have a lot of clutter. A lot of them don't really look as modern as this one does. And then it has a long, sort of thin hallway, but it's still a really cozy place. I enjoyed staying here. I feel like it was really upgraded. It was very, very clean. I didn't see anything that made me uncomfortable here. And some people who do Airbnb, this is an Airbnb because I indicate that in the title. But some people who do Airbnb, you have to listen to their comments because it tells the truth. This one with the pictures and everything and the compliments people were giving, they were honest because I stayed here and I could say the same thing. I just didn't get a chance to leave a compliment. If you don't do one in time, then you won't be able to do it. So here you can see the restroom, the bathroom. They just have, neutral colors. But it was still really, really clean, everything in good condition, and I was pretty satisfied with it. So you guys, I love to stay in different hotels and all. I love trying out just other properties. But this time, I had only done one Airbnb, and this is the only one that I've done so far. And sometimes I just do things spontaneously. Don't you love those black doors? But look at that African art. I didn't get a shot of that, but you can pause the video if you want to look at that. And I'm going down the hallway, and I love those windows. It's 3 in here, but the one thing I also like about this apartment is the windows, because they give so much light for some reason. And then these dark doors again. But the bedroom is really, really spacious, and I thought it was really comfortable though. And there's another used to be fireplace. I love how they put that black sort of metal piece there to cover it. That's one of the best looking fireplaces I've seen so far. For some people, I see putting candles down there. I don't necessarily like that, but I like the way this one was done. So I thought that this apartment was pretty tastefully done. I thought that the hosts, I don't want to say their names, but they were really nice, classy people. Another thing, the closet, I wouldn't call this a walk-in closet. I would just say that it's a big closet. But this closet, the one thing that I notice about these versus, walk-in closets, they're so tall. It's like they have a very, very high ceiling. I didn't put my clothes in there yet. That's why it's so empty. But I'm going back out of the room. You can see that carpet on the floor, by the way. Don't mind my stuff on the floor. I kind of, I don't know. Did I just get here at this point, or was this a different day? I don't remember because this was a while ago, but I really, really liked it. I don't even think this place is available anymore. But since I had the footage, I thought I'd show you guys. So tell me what you guys think of this apartment. You get any decorating ideas from it? Do you think that it seems pretty spacious for a New York apartment? But then again, you have to remember, this isn't a brownstone, so it's like the owners took it and did what they want with it. So it's not as tiny as other places would be. So me personally, I love the kitchen. I love the living room, the dining room, the bedroom, the bathroom. There's nothing that's really not tasteful about this place. And there's one other part that I'm going to show you at the top of the living room where the opening is with the couch. I like the way it kind of shapes though. One moment, I'll show you. So I pretty much showed you the whole thing from this point. Okay, you see that art on the wall? And then as I step back, you see how it shapes at the top? I like that opening because it makes it look like it's so spacious. So that is pretty much the whole apartment as I go in kind of a circular motion. But I really enjoyed staying here, guys. You guys should try out Airbnb. If you get a chance, you can. Pay attention to the comments because the people tell the truth. But that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next video.